Hello, students. So today we are going to talk about diving as a career, and we have Lieutenant Bhaskar Shukla with us, who is a diver by profession, and he served in the Indian Navy as a diver for 5 years, and now he is mentoring students, and he's the founder of the Ultimate Mentor Foundation. So welcome to Education View 360, Lieutenant Shukla.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
सो हम सबसे पहले आपकी जर्नी से शुरू करेंगे. हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को बताइए कि बहुत ब्रीफ में आप डाइवर कैसे बने.
राइट मैम. मैम बेसिकली इसमें एज सच मेरा एम तो नहीं था कि मैं डाइवर बनूंगा. आई वाज मोर इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स आर्मी व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल डेज. Like I had NCC also, ABNC, all the 3 certificates. But when I got to join Navy, and then I got found out about this thing, that what is the branch in Navy which deals with these rough and tough things. So I got to know that there are divers, there are commandos, and they are, obviously, every branch is very peculiar and very perfect in its way. But then somehow I was more into army sort of activities, and so I didn't know that this thing also exists. But then when I got to know about it, so I was really interested, and I found out from my seniors, from my peers, that how can we go for this branch. So they told me that it has to be you have to be very rough and tough. You have to do a lot of activities. You should be knowing, it's not about knowing swimming, but you should be comfortable with water, staying there. So luckily I had swimming pool in my school, so I had been a good swimmer. And but that is not very relevant with diving profession, because they make you go through so many tough things that that little swimming that or whatever, you may be a champion, but there it hardly helps. So I prepared for it, and then after these basic courses were over, and when we got commissioned, so this signal, we call it signal, so this signal came for opting for diving cadre. So that there was a course known as HDOM, that is Ship Diver Officer, come Marcos. So I opted for it. So that is how I entered into this diving field, and definitely it's a challenging field. And so finally, I got to join that diving course, and I could complete that. So I'm lucky, and it is really nice profession.
Yes, you are lucky that you had army,
right,
and other navy, Indian Navy, to support you and to teach you how to be a professional diver. अब ये बताइए,
yes, ma'am, yes,
सब स्टूडेंट जो सिविल में हैं, बाहर हैं, स्कूल कॉलेज में हैं स्टूडेंट्स, इफ दे वांट टू टेक अप डाइविंग एज अ करियर, तो वो क्या करेंगे, कहाँ से सीखेंगे, क्या कोर्स करना है, कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट से करना है?
सी देयर आर मेनी इंस्टीट्यूट्स. इनफैक्ट पहले इंडियन नेवी भी करवाती थी सिविल, मेरे जान पहचान के लोगों ने किया है, बट समहाउ नेवी स्टॉप्ड गिविंग इट टू सिविलियंस some years back. So now that is not an option anymore. But yes, there are many institutes. For example, I live at Noida. In Noida itself, there is one Dive India Institute, and they really train well. They have a swimming pool, deep swimming pool, where people go and they opt for the diving. It is a costly course. I won't say that it is not very cost effective, but yes, people who have interest in it, they would love it, and it has a bright future also, that we'll discuss further. But then yes, there are then other than Dive India, in case you are in other parts of country, so basically cities like Delhi, where there is no seashore, there we have Dive India sort of institutes. But then there are many institutes in the coastal cities like Kolkata. There is one diving institute known as Neel Diving Institute. So they take you to the shore also. Then in Cochin also there are sea explorers. So they take you to the coast. So civil diving also goes on. However, their life is tough in terms of what I say physical activity, because they are more into diving. So if a civilian wants to become a diver, and their prime duty is to just do diving for commercial purpose, or something to earn out of it. So for them it is the diving is focused more on the diving part. They focus more on that, and less on your other physical activities, ground activities. So it is good. They can definitely join. Even ladies can become divers. They do become, in fact.
Yes, yes, definitely it is. So मुझे ये
Right.
तो समझ आ रहा है कि इसके अब especially now with tourism and everything coming into the picture, diving एक बहुत अच्छा प्रोफेशन बन सकता है. तो आप उसमें
Right,
हमारे
ma'am.
स्टूडेंट्स को बताएं कि क्या क्या डाइवर्स के लिए क्या क्या करियर ऑप्शंस हैं.
So there are many career options for people who want to join, diving profession. To start with, in India, we have ONGC. ONGC provides a very good for commercial divers. In Mumbai also they ask them to do seashore diving, and it's not a very deep diving, depending upon the kind of training they have taken. Because in Navy, like we have, like saturation divers, clearance divers, and then ships diver. Depending upon the depth. So similarly in civil also there are categories. So they do go for it, but then yes, it really pays well. Other than that, they can become deep sea photographers also. Like you must have seen in Discovery Channel, Night Geo. So for them, underwater photography, the deeper they go, the higher they are paid. So these are the most prominent two options. Either you go do commercial diving in terms of this with these companies like ONGC, which where you need to go for this drilling and everything, and otherwise you go for this thing, commercial photography. Basically they can become lifeguard also. And it's a very good profession. Nowadays there are so many swimming pools, every even every apartment, every colony, and all these societies, they have swimming pools. So a diver will be given high preference for becoming a lifeguard also. So yes, if one goes for diving, they have numerous options, and they all are highly paid depending upon the location, the depth they go, and what is the requirement of the client. So, but
Yes.
yes, they can definitely go for it. It's a wonderful
Yeah,
profession, ma'am.
another career option that I can think of is the tourism industry. It hires a lot of
Yes, ma'am.
divers. आजकल आप अंडमान
Exactly,
निकोबार
ma'am.
जाओ, लक्षद्वीप जाओ, तो वो scuba diving and
Yes,
all
ma'am.
these things, and they are
Yes, ma'am. Exactly, ma'am.
they charge a lot of money also for one dive. I think it's in terms of thousands of rupees. So that is again a
Ma'am,
very
lakhs of rupees also goes for, ma'am.
yes.
Like for, if I say, if a dive is more than 200-meter deep, which is rare or in case, but then they may get more than 4-5 lakh rupees for a single dive, because it will not be a single day dive. It will be a stage wise dive, step by step dive.
Right.
So because one cannot go under, it's a technical thing. Every 10 meter, the pressure every 10 meter under the water, the pressure increase by 1 bar. So if you're 200-meter down, that means you are having a pressure of 21 bar on your body, which is huge. So this is why it has to be step by step, stage wise diving. But yes, it's a wonderful option. I'll tell you, ma'am, even in our thermal power plant, we have a huge reservoir which is deep. So to clear and clear the surface, we call divers. So the requirement is everywhere. Then you see that whenever there is a flood or any mishappening, or natural this
Disaster, yeah,
earthquake, yes,
tsunami,
disaster.
yeah.
So yes, ma'am, tsunami. So their divers are in high demand. So there are many things. Wherever there is a crisis related to water, where one, or maybe wherever there is water, and if it is deep, you need a diver. It can be as simple as that.
True, true. So it is a very important skill as well as it can become a profession also. It's a life-saving
Yes, ma'am.
disaster management skill, right? So now, Lieutenant Shukla, tell me one thing कि इस profession में challenges क्या-क्या हैं?
We all know the importance of physical fitness. We want to be physically fit. So the very first challenge you say, or the requirement, whatever you call it, is to be physically fit. So you have to keep yourself really fit to be a good diver, because it takes a lot of toll on your fitness, and unless you are fit, your lungs may suffer. Any mishappening can take place, and you will not be able to dive. So in fact, medical fitness test is done before a dive every time. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
important.
So
So
that is a
physical fitness is very
yes, ma'am.
important if you want to be a diver. Now, मेरा एक
Right,
last
ma'am.
question है कि as far as my thinking goes, I think to be a professional diver, you definitely need diving skill. So is there any
Right.
minimum education qualification also that is expected of divers to join the Indian Navy or to join ONGC as divers? कुछ minimum ऐसा है उनका कि 12th या अंडर ग्रेजुएशन होना चाहिए?
Ma'am, there is no minimum education requirement for commercial diving. You can be a diver. You may not be. You may be illiterate also for that matter. But obviously, you will be literate because there is studies also related to diving. So you have to be taught many things. So you will have to be a literate person. For commercial diving, they do not go for your education. But for Navy, to join Navy, definitely you have to be at least a 12th pass person and intermediate person. For sailors and for officers, we know if you're going in NDA, it is like after 12th or otherwise a BTech student can go. So yes, these are the education required for the formal organizations like Indian Navy or maybe for ONGC, because it is again an organization which will be paying you and you will be on a designation. But if you want to do freelancing, for example, say photography or a lifesaver, so then in that case, that is not the prerequisite.
बहुत अच्छा, परफेक्ट. सो जो बच्चे फिजिकली बहुत एक्टिव हैं, फिजिकली फिट हैं, उनको पानी से प्यार है, अंडर वाटर लाइफ अट्रैक्ट्स देम एंड पढ़ाई बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छी लगती, तो आई फील दिस इज द बेस्ट प्रोफेशन फॉर देम. सो लेफ्टिनेंट भास्कर, वुड यू वांट टू शेयर एनीथिंग एल्स जो आपको लगता है बच्चों के काम की है लेकिन हमने अभी डिस्कस नहीं किया है, कुछ इस प्रोफेशन से रिलेटेड, एनी अदर इम्पोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to tell them that if they can, if unless they are very good swimmers, I would tell them not to go for commercial diving directly, because it takes a lot of amount also in terms of money and patience also, because there is a bottleneck in everything. So there may not be vacancies for you, or you may have to go through some challenges before you become a good diver or get to an institute which takes you to diving, because no institute gives you a guarantee for getting you into commercial diving. So best would be that you study hard and prepare yourself physically, be physically fit, and go for Indian Navy. Or even if you're going into Army or Air Force, let me tell you, ma'am, even for Army, Air Force or NSG, they are also asked to do diving. They are also sent to diving school. They also get the diving badge of Indian Navy. So if one wants to become a diver, they can join any of the special forces and can get this diving done. They can very well become a commercial diver. So that would be an easier and far better way. It will be very cost effective. Yes, if someone is rich, physically fit, and they think they can afford, then definitely commercial diving directly is again a very good option.
Right. So you've given a very good path, especially India में rich तो कम ही है. Most of are middle class and can't afford such luxuries of taking up commercial flying license or commercial diving license. So that's a very good way, or that's a very good path you have shown them कि आप शॉर्ट सर्विस ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, इंडियन नेवी या इंडियन आर्मी, 5 साल 10 साल सर्व करके आप वहां से प्रोफेशनली ट्रेंड होके एज अ प्रोफेशनल डाइवर, देन यू कैन डिसाइड मूव आउट एंड यू कैन परसू. आपका एक्सपीरियंस भी हो जाएगा, आपको अच्छा सैलरी भी मिल जाएगा, आपने सीख भी लिया एज अ प्रोफेशनल डाइवर. So that's a very good insight and input from your side, Lieutenant Shukla. Thank you so much for sharing these insights. I'm sure it's going to help a lot of students. And students को अगर कोई specific doubts होंगे तो मैं उनको आपका number share कर दूंगी so that they can take further guidance from you. Right?
Sure, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.